Your ancestors could read the sky, the face, the forest at a glance. That sight is not gone. It is dormant, traded away for screens and flood of noisy notifications. Out of all the information you perceive, you can consciously process less than 1%. This rune formula will help you notice and understand that what was hidden before from you. In the end of the video I will show you how to activate it. The runes are Dagas, Ansus, Sovilo. Dagas is the rune of the day, rune of enlightenment, rune of positive transformation and change, overall the rune of light and rune of divine energy. Ansus is the rune of the mental sphere, rune of thought, rune of speech, a rune of clarity and understanding. Sovilo is the rune of the sun energy, the light and sun, meaning that the darkness is dissolved and highlighted by the sun. The same energy is the rune Dagas, also energy of the light. So combining these three energies of light energy and sun are directed into the mental, into the perception area of your being, improving your ability to perceive and understand. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this. By the power of these runes, my ability to perceive and understand is cleansed, healed and greatly improved. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magick Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.